So it is time to find out who won the drawing for the detail point tool. You'll see that it is, maybe a glare, Friday, September 3rd at 11:01. See, I got the URL already. Let's see. I'm gonna put yes because there's one comment that said yes sir and he meant yes please. I'm not sure if that will work, but anyway, got 30 comments. Start the raffle and pick a random winner. The winner is DVO Clark. Alright, congratulations. I will put my email address down in the comments, and just send me an email and give me your address and I will get it off to you. So congratulations, Mr. Clark. You guys have a blessed day.